how to increase your revenue with Ezoic. I have Ezoic ads on my website and they are, a little cumbersome. They're ads, but honestly, they pay a lot better than Google AdSense. And to me, that is worth it. So I am all about that. All right, so let's look at how we can increase our ads. Now, ads on websites are similar to YouTube. If you are a YouTuber, then this is going to make sense to you when you think about the CPM for your videos. It's going to be the same as the CPM for blog. If you don't have Ezoic or you're looking for a new ad manager for your website, I'll have a link for Ezoic down below. I've been using them for a few months now and I'm really enjoying it. I am working on getting my website views up, but right now I am very happy with it. So let's look at how to make more money with our ads and digging into the analytics. Analytics are so important to look at on both YouTube, on blogging, all of that, so that you can create more revenue. So we're going to look at analytics. Then on the left, we're going to go to content and landing pages. Okay, here we are on landing pages, and we can see the landing page, visits, page views visit, engaged page views, average engaged time, bounce rate, and revenue, and EPMV. Now, EPMV, this is going to be the same as your YouTube channel if you have one. So this is cost per milli, cost per 1,000 views. So this is saying for every 1,000 views that I'm getting on my website, I'm making $15.84. So we can look through here and see what are the higher paying ones. So this one here is $117 CPM. So I can see that that is the blog Why Your Budget Isn't Working. Then I can see also, okay, the lower cost one. So this one is only $1.97. What is this one? This is 5 EV saving challenges. That did not do well at all. Then I can see this one. This one's only 58 cents. This is not doing well. It's copycat Chick-fil-A tortilla. And then we can see here and scroll through what are the highest ones. Then if you click EPMV, you're going to be able to see them in order of highest revenue. So this one here is brain dumping printable. Then Why Your Budget Isn't Working. And we can see these in order of highest paying out. So as a content creator, as I'm going through and trying to figure out, okay, what can I make for my blog? What post should I do next? I can look at this and say, okay, these are the ones that are making me the most money. I'm going to go and do more of these posts, or I'm going to make sure that I'm linking back to these posts and other posts. So I can go through and being like, okay, what's related to this? How can I link this in another article? Or how can I link this in a newsletter? Or how can I link this in a YouTube video so that I can increase my revenue? Because these are the highest paying blogs that are on my website right now. So I want to do more of these. I want to drive traffic to these blogs here to make me more money because these are the ones that are paying out the most. So think about this when you're creating content and not just making a blog just to make a blog, but okay, is it going to be something that is going to be paying me more, or is it a lower paying one? So down here, these are only around $1. These ones are not paying me nearly as much. So definitely pay attention to that and really look at your EPAV to see what's going to be paying the most for your blog. And like I said, I do have a link for Ezoic down below, so definitely check it out. Definitely let me know what other tutorials or what other things you want me to dig into in Ezoic, and I'll be happy to make those tutorial videos for you.